As always, let's shift focus, talk about the fundamentals of the trading day as well. Ritu Arora, CIO at Canara HSBC OBC Life Insurance, joins us on the show right now. Ritu, hi, afternoon. What is it that you've made of the strength in the oil and gas space? Any stocks that you like?
Good afternoon. Thanks for having me on the show. I like the space. One needs to be selective. Many stocks have run up a fair bit, and selective stock picking, I think, makes sense. And I think there would be a phase of consolidation in a coming week or so, and would again give a good opportunity to build positions in the sector.
But in general, everyone is waiting for a correction, and that big correction has not kicked in. And in a bull market, big corrections never come in. So what to your mind could be the extent of correction, and what could be a good entry point?
I do not anticipate a big correction at all, but I do anticipate some sectoral rotation. I do anticipate some profit booking and consolidation, and I would quantify that as a maximum of 7 to 10%. So I don't see anything sharp. At this point, markets are about 16.5 times rolling forward 1 year, and that is not a very expensive market. We've seen peaks of 21 and 22 times, but sectorally there will definitely be a rotation, and hence entry opportunities will be available. I still see strong flows, domestic as well as FIIs, so I wouldn't be surprised if this gets pushed forward, but at the same time don't see a big upswing from here also. So market will be in this range with a possibility for consolidation of about 5 to 7%.
So for the moment, flows definitely have turned corner for the mutual fund industry, but what is the status with insurance industry? Redemption or fresh flows?
Positive flows in insurance industry as well, and like you said, mutual fund industry as well. In fact, last month I think was the first time that domestic institutional investors surpassed the foreign institutional investors in the buying at 5,000 crores. So that is a positive change, and we do see that momentum sustaining, and we do see the flows in our company as well. And I think that is retail money coming back with full confidence in the market.
Okay, Maruti, 29.10 for Maruti, 1% up. State Bank of India, strength is coming from an unexpected source. Bear in mind that for some of the private banks, the FI limit is frozen, be it Kotak Mahindra Bank, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank. So somewhere I think lack of any choices could also be helping a stock like SBI, where by the way, credit quality and NPA concerns have just not faded away. Ritu, for the moment it appears that auto stocks are in a sweet spot. But do you think markets are pricing these stocks to perfection?
Auto stocks have performed in line with the volume growth, and we have seen about 17-18% uptake. Both cars, four-wheelers as well as two-wheelers have seen a pickup in volume, which is positive and has been counted as a green shoot for the economy as well. I think if this trend continues, there is further upside for auto stocks, and I selectively continue to buy auto stocks. Auto ANGs have performed very well, but again, replacement demand is strong there, and again, they're quite attractive plays there. So I believe auto stocks still will lead the momentum and the rally and the upside over the next couple of months at least.
Ritu, the possible next trigger for the markets, besides of course if the RBI surprises us with a rate cut, perhaps could be just earnings now. What's the sense that you're getting about sectorally, where can one see maximum revival coming in for the next quarter?
I do not anticipate a rate cut yet from RBI. In fact, there are sufficient indicators to say that, including inflation, which has been high, continues to be high, that RBI may not have the flexibility to cut rates just yet. In terms of earnings, I do not expect a revival to come in that quickly. Even if you look at volumes, there haven't been a big uptick. So there is a lot of hope in the economy, but I don't see that in balance sheets here. This quarter's result was definitely an improvement over past quarters. So that is not anticipated. But what is working positively for the market definitely is the economy improving on the fringes, and domestic and foreign institutional flows continuing with a strong momentum, which is where I believe the strength for the market comes from. And it will take us a couple of quarters before we start seeing the earnings improving, which will further strengthen this momentum. So I think that the flows, cash, which is the king and which is coming to market in strong flows, will sustain the market for now.
Okay, Ritu, we'll let you go on that note. Really appreciate you taking the time out and speaking with us today. Let's keep it with the market then. Here's a view then from S. Naren, CIO at ICICI Prudential AMC, who cautions against expecting supernormal profits from the markets going forward as valuations remain elevated. He predicts a